have taken here hydrogen peroxide solution 6% harmful, and I have taken yeast over here. I recommend not the hydrogen peroxide to come to our skin as it irritates, as it is 6% harmful. So now we are today going to find out what happens if we add hydrogen peroxide to yeast. So I am going to quickly add this and run. I recommend you to run. So it's a little bit of froth coming. If you want to touch it, you can touch it, but it's very hot. As you can see, the smoke is coming out from here, as you can see. So it is a very dangerous experiment. I suggest you to do with an adult. So yeah, this is what happens when the hydrogen peroxide is added to yeast. So any questions why this happens? Let me explain. Yeast is an organism containing catalase, which when you mix yeast with hydrogen peroxide, it rapidly breaks down into water and oxygen gas, which forms bubbles. So yeah, this is exactly what happened over here. When we added hydrogen peroxide to the yeast, the froth coming out, it's not actually froth, it's the bubbles which broke down into oxygen gas. And yeah, thanks for watching.
My name is Logisha and today I'm going to do a project on lava lamp. So let's begin. So here I have put the baking soda first into it, and now I'm going to put some vegetable oil. I have put now the vegetable oil, and now we will proceed ahead. So I have put the oil in, and now I have mixed the vinegar and the food color in it. Now I'm gonna just mix it up. Whoa. I have done it. Now you can see how it is coming up. Because of the soda, this all happens. It is mixing up, and because of the baking soda, this both are coming up. If I will mix it, it will be more cool. You can see it has become now.
From 7th standard, I am doing experiment. For this experiment, we want a bowl filled with salt, 2 lemon, and 2 glass filled with water. I will put this lemon inside the water. It is sinking, and I will take a salt and mix it. I am putting lemon and inside, and he is floating. It is floating. The lemon has more density than the water, so it is sinking, and the salt has less density than the water, so it is floating. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Vidhi Varela from grade 7 SVS English School. Today we are going to do a simple experiment on how to blow balloon by producing carbon dioxide gas. So the things you need is a balloon, bottle top, a bottle, an empty bottle, some baking soda and vinegar. So let's get started. So now I'm going to place a balloon like this on the mouth of the bottle top and add around 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And going to remove the balloon. Now I'm going to take the empty bottle and add vinegar to it. So now I'm going to add vinegar. I added vinegar, that's acetic acid, and now I'm going to place the balloon which is filled up with baking soda, that's sodium bicarbonate. So one is acid and another is base. So they both will neutralize each other's effect. So let's see what happens. So 3, 2, 1. You can see carbon dioxide gas is produced out of it. They're neutralizing each other's effect. The gas which is produced is carbon dioxide, and the balloon is filled with carbon dioxide. So that's how we blow the balloon with carbon dioxide. So thank you.
Indicator by the China rose or hibiscus. I have put some warm water and put the petals of China rose. So we will check that if I put an indicator to acid or base, if the color changes or not. So I'll put some of the water to acid. This acid is of lemon juice. So everyone can see that slowly the color has changes to pink. Now I will do the same thing to a base. In base I have taken some baking powder and water. Slowly the color is slightly changed to blue. After keeping this aside for some time, we can see the clear change. This has changed to slightly pink and this has changed to blue. So by adding this indicator to acid, we can see this color, and by adding indicator to a base, we can see this.
This is Mitesha from grade 7. Today I am going to do an experiment. For that, we need one plate, some sand, spoon, soap, and one glass of water. So guys, come on, let's do an experiment. First of all, we have to take one plate and add some sand and then add some water. Mix it properly. And then take a soap and rub it in our hand, in our fingers, and then put the finger in the plate, and then you can see that all the bacteria runs away from the alcohol. Thank you.